Hello, so we have a little bit of review today, combining a little bit of each thing. So this first one, I'll try the additive strategy where we add two rectangles together. Okay, so if we look at this blue rectangle here, it looks like from the top of this blue rectangle has a dimension of 4, and the height has a dimension of 4, so we would do 4 times 4 makes 16. Now let's look at this red rectangle, this little one here. And we're going to add the blue and the red together. So we look at the width of this blue section, or I'm sorry, the red side here. That says 3, and it says the height is 2, so we do 3 times 2 to find the area. Okay, now in this case we're going to be adding these together, so 6 and 16 makes 22. Okay, next one. So this one, we could either break it into this rectangle and this rectangle down here and this rectangle over here, or we could look at it as one giant rectangle and then take away the part that was eaten. If this was a graham cracker or a cookie, we're going to find the whole original area of the cookie and take away the red section. So if we have 7 times 5, right, this whole base of 7 times the whole height of 5, we have 35. Then the area of this red rectangle looks like we have 4 times 3. 4 times 3 makes 12. Now in this case, we're going to be subtracting them, right? Instead of, like up here, we added them. So we're going to subtract 12 from the 35 and get 23. Okay, so the area of the rectangle would look something like this, right? Because this red piece was taken away. So that area would be 23. Okay. Now this case is asking, what is the unknown measure if the whole area is 30, and remember area has that formula of base times height or length times width. You can really use either one as long as you're multiplying one side times the other. So in this case we have 6 times unknown gives us the area 30. Okay, so what would that be? 6 times what makes 30? And that would be 6 times 5. How about this one? Find the unknown measure of this square. The perimeter is 36. So now remember, it's a perimeter is as if we were to see how many feet it would be if we walk around it, like how many feet it would take to walk around this square yard. Now a square tells us that each side is the same. Okay, so they're all unknown, but they're all the same unknown. Okay, so if we have 4 times question mark equals 36, what would one of these sides be? So again, is it 4 times 10? That would be 4 times 10 is 40. So that'd be too big. How about 4 times 9? Would that be, yeah, 4 times 9 makes 36. So that's what the unknown side is, okay? So each of these sides then would be 9. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 makes 36. And that's it. Great job.